Good morning, children. Welcome to your computer class. In today's class, we are going to discuss file management and its features. File management is very important feature of Windows operating system. This feature of Windows enables copying or moving any file or folder, and it also enables us to rename a file or delete a file. File management gives overall protection to the files and folders in the computer. So these features of file management is discussed in this chapter. First of all, we will learn how to copy or how to move any file or folder from one place to another. Now, copying or moving are two different operations. Steps for copying any file or folder are: Step 1. Select the file or folder to be copied. Step 2. Click on the file or folder with the right button of the mouse. Step 3. Select the option Copy from the pop-up window opened. The file or folder will be copied to the clipboard. Clipboard is the memory area storing copied files or folders in the memory. Now select the location where you want to paste the file or folder. Then select the location and right click with the mouse. Now you have to choose the option Paste from the pop-up menu opened. The file or folder will be pasted into that particular location. Now, children, there are some shortcut operations or key combinations for copying and pasting. For copying, we can use the key combination CTRL plus C, and for pasting, we can use CTRL plus V key combination. So these are the shortcut key combination of these two operations. Now we will learn how to move any file or folder. Like the copy operation, here also first we have to select the file or folder by clicking once on the file. Step 2. Drag the file or folder with the left mouse button, keeping the button pressed. Now release the mouse button after dragging the file or folder to the desired location. Now we will learn how to rename any file or folder. Once you create any file or folder, you can simply rename them. Renaming means changing the name of these files or folders. Step 1. Select the file or folder which is to be renamed. Step 2. Right-click on the mouse button. A pop-up menu will open. Choose the option Rename. The icon of file or folder will appear with the name highlighted. Now, if you click on the text box, the cursor will show up. Now finally delete the name and write the desired name. Now click anywhere outside that text box. The name will be appear as the new name of the file. Now there are other shortcut processes of renaming as well. The first shortcut process is to click once on any file or folder and wait for few seconds. Click again on that file or folder with the help of the mouse. In this case, the text box will automatically appear around the file. Another shortcut is to use the special key, the function key F2. If you press the key F2, then the text box around the file will automatically appear. These are the two shortcut processes. The next topic is to delete a file. Now, To delete any file or folder, first we need to select that particular file or folder. Now press the right button of the mouse. The pop-up menu will appear. Choose the menu option Delete from the pop-up menu. The file or folder will be deleted. You can also delete it by pressing the delete key from your keyboard. Now children, when we do that, a message window opens up showing the message, "Are you sure to move this file to the recycle bin?" We have to press yes button of the window. Then the file or folder will be deleted and will get stored in the folder named recycle bin. You know about recycle bin. Now, this is the deletion where the file or folder moves to the recycle bin folder. If you want to permanently delete a file or folder, the process is quite different. Now, if you want to delete a file permanently, first we have to select the file or folder which is to be deleted by clicking once on the file or folder with the left button of the mouse. Now, press the key combination SHIFT+DELETE from the keyboard. This time the message window will appear which will ask you, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file?" If you are sure, click on Yes. Now the file or folder will be deleted permanently. In this case, no copy will be left in the recycle bin. Now we will talk about the basic rules of file management. First, do not tamper with the file or folder of other users. 2. Files should be saved in the properly created and relevant folder. 3. File or folder can be made password protected. Once the file or folder is made password protected, it cannot be accessed by the other users. 4th, file once opened must be closed after carrying out different operations. If the file is kept open, the content of the file can get lost at the time of shutting off the machine. This is all about file management.